How to fix Epic Games trouble connecting. I'm going to show you a few fixes. So for the first one, we want to Google search for Epic Games server status, and we just want to make sure that Epic Games is not having any issues here. So if you find your game and it says operational, then you're good to go. However, if it appears in yellow, then it means that this is on Epic Games side. Now, if you don't see any issues here on the website, what we can do is open up our computer's search engine, search for Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, and then open file location. Right here, we'll just find the Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, go to properties, and here's what we want to do. We want to go to the compatibility tab and we want to check these three boxes. So run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. So after you have checked these three boxes, we'll click on apply, click on OK. And the other thing that we want to do is open up our computer search yet again, search for run, open up this, and type this out, local app data. So %, local app data, %, press enter. Here we'll just click on any folder. I'll begin typing out Epic. And we want to open up the Epic Games Launcher folder, go to saved, and we want to delete this web cache folder with some numbers after it. Right click, delete. I can't do it because my Epic Games is open. But if you close your Epic Games, you will be able to delete this, and hopefully this will fix your issue. Leave a like and say if this worked, and I'll see you next time.